I came to this location because last week I was scouting for birds and I happened to stumble upon that scene here. And I was planning on being here before the sun got over the horizon. Unfortunately, again this morning, it didn't happen. And even if I would have been here in time, there's a bunch of clouds on the horizon. I might be able to pull off a pretty cool shot still. So I'm gonna go back at it and show you on screen after I'm done. For the past couple of hours, I've been going from spot to spot and I couldn't find any ducks or birds. Not too sure why, because today's beautiful. Some areas are quite windy, but here in the cove, it's kind of sheltered. I got here and I looked down at the water and of course there was a bunch of seals. At one point, 8 of those seals were on the surface and I managed to grab some photos. Not sure if you can see, some of them are peeking right there right now. They're looking at me saying, that guy must be crazy, he's talking to himself. Now they're gonna be YouTube famous. I bet you those seals woke up this morning and didn't know they were gonna be famous, but let's make those seals famous. Fun fact, right behind me there's a reversing falls. We're in St. John, New Brunswick. Those falls, depending on the tide, they might be going down that way towards the Bay of Fundy if the tide is low, and when the tide is high, the water comes in from the Bay of Fundy. Enough chatting. I'm gonna try to snap a few photos of the seals and maybe get a few video shots. I'll see what I can come up with, and whatever's acceptable, I'll include on screen right now. My editor-in-chief just climbed on my lap to remind me that I forgot to film an outro as well as an intro. So I guess today's video was a little rushed, but hopefully you still enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss future videos. Until next time, stay safe, stay creative, and happy shooting. See you in the next one.